Welcome to Sociology Visualized. Today's lecture focuses on Anthony Giddens, one of the most influential contemporary sociologists. He is best known for developing Structuration Theory and for his analysis of modernity, globalization, risk, and self-identity. Giddens attempts to overcome the classical divide between structure and agency and provides a framework to understand late modern society. Brief background. Anthony Giddens was born in 1938 in London. He served as director of the London School of Economics. His most important theoretical work, The Constitution of Society, 1984, presents Structuration Theory. Giddens is considered a major theorist of late modernity and contemporary social transformation. Structuration Theory. The central problem in sociology has been the relationship between structure and agency. Classical sociologists addressed this issue differently. Karl Marx emphasized economic structures. Emil Durkheim emphasized social facts and collective consciousness. Max Weber emphasized social action and meaning. Giddens argues that structure and agency are not separate entities. Instead, they form a duality. Structure. Structure consists of rules and resources that guide social action. Examples include language, legal systems, educational institutions, family norms. Structures do not exist independently of individuals, they exist through practices. Agency. Agency refers to the capacity of individuals to act and make choices. Human beings are knowledgeable agents who understand what they are doing and can reflect upon their actions. Duality of structure. The key idea is that structure shapes action, and action reproduces structure. For example, when we use language according to grammatical rules, we reproduce the language system. Society is therefore continuously created and recreated through everyday social practices. Modernity and late modernity. Giddens rejects the idea that we live in a postmodern era. He argues that we live in late modernity, an intensified form of modernity. Late modernity has three key characteristics. 1. Time-space distanciation. 2. Disembedding mechanisms. 3. Reflexivity. Time-space distanciation. Modern social relations are stretched across vast distances of time and space. Technology enables interaction between people who are geographically distant. Examples include online banking, international trade, social media communication, air travel. Social interaction is no longer limited to face-to-face relations. Disembedding mechanisms. Disembedding refers to the lifting of social relations from local contexts. There are two main types. 1. Symbolic tokens, such as money. 2. Expert systems, such as doctors, engineers, and financial institutions. People trust abstract systems rather than personal relationships. For example, we trust banks and medical professionals without knowing them personally. Reflexivity. Modern society is reflexive. Social practices are constantly examined and reformed in the light of new information. In traditional societies, life was guided by tradition. In late modern societies, individuals must make choices about lifestyle, relationships, and careers. Life becomes a reflexive project of the self. Self-identity in modern society. In traditional societies, identity was largely fixed by caste, religion, gender, and family background. In modern societies, identity becomes something that individuals construct and reconstruct over time. Individuals create their own biographies through choices and decisions. Examples include career selection, marriage decisions, consumption patterns, online self-presentation. Self-identity becomes a continuous process of self-examination. Risk in modern society. Modernity produces new forms of risk. These are not natural risks but manufactured risks created by human activity. Examples include nuclear technology, climate change, financial crises, technological hazards. Modern society brings progress, but it also generates uncertainty and insecurity. Globalization. Giddens defines globalization as the intensification of worldwide social relations that link distant localities. Local events are influenced by global processes. Cultural exchange, migration, international markets, and digital communication demonstrate how the world has become interconnected. Globalization transforms everyday life and social institutions. Political thought, the third way. Giddens also contributed to political theory. He developed the idea of the third way, which attempts to move beyond traditional socialism and pure free market capitalism. The third way supports a market economy, social justice, welfare reform, individual responsibility. This idea influenced British politics during the leadership of Tony Blair. Criticism. Giddens has been criticized for several reasons. 1. Structuration theory is abstract and difficult to apply empirically. 2. He is seen as underestimating power inequalities. 3. Some argue he is overly optimistic about modernity. Scholars influenced by Marx and Foucault argue that he does not sufficiently analyze domination and structural inequality. Conclusion. Anthony Giddens provides a comprehensive theory of contemporary society. His key contributions include the concept of the duality of structure, the theory of structuration, analysis of late modernity, the idea of reflexive self-identity, understanding globalization and manufactured risk. His work bridges classical sociology and contemporary social theory and remains highly relevant for competitive examinations and advanced sociological studies. If you found this lecture helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.